Hello, little friends! Welcome back! I am Miss Irina, and today we are going on a super fun and tasty adventure! Yeah! We are going to cook alphabet vegetable soup! Hooray! Yummy, yummy in our tummies! But first, we need some delicious fresh vegetables. Oh yes. Let's go to the farmer's market. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Grab your baskets now and off we go. Oh, and here we are at the farmer's market. Wow! Look at all these colorful veggies. And some fruit as well. But we need just only vegetables today. Let's pick some for our soup. Let's have a closer look. Here is a bright orange carrot. Carrot starts with the letter C, which makes K sound. K. Can you say it? K for carrot? K, carrot. K, carrot. Yay! Great job. Into the basket. What's next? A round red tomato. Letter T is for tomato, which makes sound T, tomato. Tomato. Say with me, please. Tomato. Tomato. Into the basket you go. And here is potato. Letter P is for potato, which makes P sound. Potato. Potato. Great job, little friends. Into the basket you go. Look, here is a crunchy cucumber. Cucumber starts with the letter C, which makes K sound. Cucumber. Cucumber. Go to the basket. See you later. And here is a shiny green pepper. Pepper starts with the letter P. P makes P sound. Pepper. Pepper. Yeah. To the basket. And here is sweet golden corn. It's a sweet corn. Sweet corn starts with the letter S. S makes S sound. Sweet corn. Sweet corn. Go to the basket, please. Sweet corn. See you later. And now just look at this onion. Onion starts with the letter O. O makes O sound. Onion. Onion. Into the basket. And here is a little mushroom. It's a mushroom. Starts with the letter M, which makes M sound. Mushroom. Mushroom. Can you say with me mushroom? Mushroom. Great job, little friends. Into the basket you go. Ooh, wow. It looks like we have all of the colorful vegetables here in our basket. Yeah. Now it's time to head back to the kitchen and cook our amazing alphabet vegetable soup. Let's go! Here we are in the kitchen. It's time to chop and cook vegetables. Let's have a look. What do we have here? Time to chop our veggies. Let's slice them up for the soup. Yeah. First is the carrot. Carrot. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Oh, what color is the carrot? Orange. Yes, you're right. The carrot is orange. Great job, little friends. Next, a round red tomato. Chop, chop, chop. Uh-oh. So what color is the tomato? Red. Yes, this color is red. Well done. And here is potato. Potato. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. We did it. Now a crunchy green cucumber. Here is a cucumber. Chop, chop, chop. Uh-oh. What color is the cucumber? Green. Yes, this color is green. Great job. And here is a shiny green pepper. Yeah, this color is green too. Let's chop the pepper. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Uh-oh. What color is this pepper? Green. Yes, you are right. Green pepper and green cucumber. So, next in line is sweet yellow golden corn. It's a sweet corn. Sweet corn. Let's chop it together. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Well done. What color is the sweet corn? Yellow. Yes, yellow sweet corn. Yellow. Well done, amazing friends. And here is an onion. Onion. Let's chop the onion. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Oh. Onion. Onion. And next in line is mushroom. Yeah, this is a mushroom. Mushroom. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Uh-oh. Well done. So what color is this mushroom? It's white. Yeah, this color is white. White, white, white. White mushroom. Great job naming colors. Yeah. Now that we've chopped all our vegetables, let's put them into the pot. Yes. Carrot. Bloop. Next is tomato, bloop, and potato, bloop, and cucumber, bloop. Bye bye cucumber, see you later. And pepper goes to the pot, bloop. And sweet corn, yeah, bloop. Onion, it will be great for our soup. Onion, bloop. Bye bye. Mushroom, how about the mushroom? Yes, mushroom, bloop. Oh. Let's save this veggies for later. And now just we need to stir well our soup. Now let's cook the soup. Let's stir it up. Stir, stir, stir the soup. Cook it nice and yummy. Carrots, corn, tomatoes to fill our happy tummy. Yeah! Nice vegetable soup. Stir, stir, stir. Just have a look at our colorful soup. Wow! It's almost ready. But wait, we need to add some alphabet magic. Yeah! Look, here I have some alphabet letters. Let's add some alphabet letters to our soup. What's this letter? C. C with the sound K. K is for carrot. K, K, carrot. Go to the soup. And K for the cucumber. Yeah. K, K, cucumber. K, K, cucumber. In the soup you go. Plop. Next is letter T. T for tomato. T, T, tomato. T, T, tomato. Yeah. Let's go to the soup. Bye-bye. And next in line is letter P with the sound of P. P is for pepper. P, P, pepper. And P for potato. P, P, potato. Great job. To the pot you go. Bye bye letter P. See you later. Next in line is letter O. O makes sound O. O is for onion. O, O, onion. O, O, onion. O goes to the soup. Wow. I have some more letters here. S. Letter S makes S sound. S is for sweet corn. S, S, sweet corn. S goes to the soup. And here is letter M with the sound of M. M makes M. M, M, M. M is for mushroom. M, M, mushroom. Yeah, mushroom. M goes to the soup. Well done, little friends. Now, let's stir it up all together. peppa. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, stir, stir the soup. Cook it nice and yummy. Carrots, corn, tomatoes too. Fill our happy tummy. Smells delicious. Yeah. It's time to serve and taste our soup. Yum, yum, yum. Our alphabet soup is ready. And let's serve it up. That smells so delicious. Oh, we have some healthy vegetables here and some alphabet letters as well. Like this one. S for sweet corn. And P for peppa. Peppa. So the soup is just amazing. We have healthy vegetables and alphabet letters. Yeah, what a tasty and smart soup. Yeah, enjoy your soup now. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. It's so delicious. You did an amazing job cooking with me today. We learned about vegetables, colors, and some alphabet letters. Yeah! See you next time, little friends. Bye!